In this lecture we'll learn about the fonts. So here, by clicking in any cell, by clicking here like this cell, you can know the which font is used. Here by clicking here we can know that here the font is Calibri body. So if you want to change the font, just click here, and then you can change font in different fonts like these. Different names of the font is here. So you can change the font from by clicking in any cells and any sentences or any words. That you go back to the previous font, and after that if you want to change the size of the fonts, like these are the different sizes. So click on the cells that you want to change the size, then here you can change the sizes in different ways. I'm just showing you in like novice one. So after that